Today I am discussing about series in Java. What is a series? Series, sequence, succession are terms for an orderly following of things one more after another. Series is applied to a number of things of the same kind, usually related to each other, arranged or happening in order. That is copied from Google. There are three types. Print a given style sequence, print the sum of a given style of sequence, print the sum of a given style of sequence with the user value. Those three types defined by me. Let's see the examples. First one, print the given style sequence. That is, these types of series is print the given style of sequences. Okay. The second one is print the sum of a given style of sequence. In the next video I will discuss about these two topics. So today in that video I am discussing about print a given style of sequence. Now if we take a series like, I just took that one. Okay, so if you think about this value, what is being here, what we have to do, we have to print the series. The question is, write a program in Java to display the first 10 terms. Okay, so what is the next value? Next value is 25, then next value is 36, then next value is 49, then next value is 64. Now you think how I get those values. Okay, just see the difference between in two. There is a difference of 3, difference of 6, difference of 5, difference of 7, difference of 9, difference of 11, difference of 13, difference of 15. Okay, so first we have to accept this value from anywhere. Now add with the difference, I will get the next value. Now with the next value we add the difference and got the next value. So that will be the answer. But here I use a different topic. Looks like 1 and 2. Looks like that. If I add 2, it's look like that. If I use 3, that means all the square value of values, square values of positions means 1 square 1, 2 square 2, 3 square 3, 4 square 4, 15 is the 5 square, that is 6 square, that is 7 square, that is 8 square, means the final one is 100. So series here is, we don't need to write import function, no need to write scanner, no need to accept value from user, because here all the value are fixed. We have to print those first 10 terms. So I just start a for loop, int I equals 1, I less than 10, I plus plus, and system dot out dot println, I just write I into I and just add a comma. So that will be the answer. Now let's see what will the output. But you see the values are in descend in print line, so we have to print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 9 values. Okay, I have to write equal sign here and no need to use println function. So Just see, that's the answer. Okay, so here what I do, I need a starting position that is starts with 1 and a ending position that is 10. So it starts with 1, ending at 10. We got easily 10 values, and every position, every values multiplied with that value. That is the answer of the first series. Okay, so I just copy the output and use slash asterisk and asterisk slash. So that is our document line comment, as all you know. So that is the another answer. So in the next I use this pattern. Delete this one. In that video, in that part, what is here? There is 1, so difference is 1, difference is 2, difference is 3, so difference is 4, so next difference is 5. Then the answer is obviously 60. Now the difference is 7, so the answer is 23. So that is a predictive value, that is a sequence. So if we write a 0 here, then with the help of this one, how we get 1? Means we have to write 0 plus 1 here. Then with the help of this one, 1 plus 1. That is the last. This one and this one are same. Okay. Last value plus difference, that will give you 2. So this time last value is 2 and the new difference is 2, it will get you 4. Last value is 4 and the difference is 3, you will get 7. So that is the series. Okay, then here we can easily get these 0, 1, 2, these figures. So what I will do, I just have to add a variable int sum equals 1, and I just want to start I with 0 and it will be less than 10. So in that part, what I will do, sum equals sum plus I. So what will be the answer? When I is 0, I will get 1 plus 0. Okay, now the value is 1, now the sum value is 1, now the I becomes 1, it will give me 2. Now third time, that is the third term, when I is 2, the last value is 2, now add it with the term equals 4. Okay, now see the output. Zero, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. That is the first 10 terms. No, I think I make it short difference, that is, which one I copied? Sorry for the output. Here I have to print sum. One, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16, 22, 29, 37, 66. So just check. 1, 2, 4, 7, 11. Okay. Now the next series is 3, 6, 9, 12. I just copy the output. Just a second. Slash star with star slash. I copy this part again. Now here I'll comment out this part. No, I think it's better if I use sum. So okay, every time I print the sum, that is better. Now you can see this 3, 6, 9, 12. The difference is 3. Again the difference is 3. Again the difference is 3. So if the difference is 3 after 12, that means the next value is 15. Now add with 3, the next value is 18. Okay, so if you can see, it is a table of 3. 3 into 1, 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4, 3 into 5, 3 into 6. Okay, so here we need a starting point that is starts with 1, ending at 10. Here sum declared as 3. Now I use a asterisk sign. Now sum equals 3 into 1. It will print 3. Next time it use 3 asterisk 2. Next time 3 asterisk 3. That will give you the proper answer. So now on the program, 3, 6, 3, 2, 3. Again a foolish mistake. Sum equals 1, and here every time I have to write 3 into I. Okay, 3 is fixed and I is the value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer will be like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. That is the table of 3. Okay, so the output is asterisk star ending at star asterisk. Now here again copy the program, and now the next series is 4, 8, 16, 32. 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 4 into 4. I think that is not much. Let's see the calculation. Here 4. The difference is 4. Next time is 8. Next time is 16. So it is relatively short difference. So if I use here as 2 square, here as 2 cube, here as 2 power 4, here as 2 power 5, that means next one is 2 power 6, that is 64. So here I have to start with, so 2, 3, that is the power value, will be the value of I. Okay, so what I have to write, so the power value starts with 2 and ending at 11, means I have to print 10 times, so starts with 2 ending at 11, that will give me 10 terms. So here I have to write, not here 2, I have to use math.power to get the power value. Math.power @ 2, I. and I have to use here int type. Okay, so that will give me 2. First time it will give me 4, then 2 power 3, that is 8, then 2 power 4, that is 16, then 32. Okay, let's see. Matter power 2 comma I. Sorry again. Make a very bad mistake. So the output will be, that is the output, 2, 4, 16, 32, 64, 120, 256. So here I use asterisk plus star and star plus asterisk. Now I copy this code again. Now the next pattern is 1.5, 3.0, 4.5, 6.0. So that is a double type value, means it is a table of 1.5, 1.5 into 1, 1.5 into 2, 1.5 into 3, 1.5 into 4. So here I have to change a little change, like double I equals 1.0, I less than equals 10, I plus plus, and here I have to use sum equals 1.5 asterisk I, and here double sum equals 0.0. That is the table of 1.5. Okay, this is a really easy, just you have to find the difference and you will get your answer, and you have to know what will be the starting point and what will be the ending point. Just be clear with those values, you will get your answer very fast. Now what is 0726? Let's write that is here 0726. The difference is 7 and the next difference is 19, so it's quite hard to understand what is the next value. That is 7 and 19, the difference is 12. So what will be the next value? So here you have to think a different way, like 7 is 2 cube, you will get 8. If you use 3 cube, you will get 26. So I use minus 1. So if I use minus 1 in that section, that is 3 cube minus 1, that is 27 minus 1, 26. Same as you can see here, 2 cube minus 1. So 2 cube minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, 7. So if I write 1 cube minus 1, so 1 cube minus is 0. So what will be the next term? That is 4 cube minus 1. The 4 cube means 16, 64. 64 minus 1, the answer is 63. Okay, let's see. So what I have to do, that is I starts with what we calculate I cube, okay, minus 1. So I starts with 1 ending at 10, that is simple I into I 1. Okay. Sorry. So let's see the answer. Zero 7 26 63 124 and so more. That is the difference. Star asterisk slash. Now I copy this code again for the next. That is the next one is 192549. Let's 19. The difference is 8 and the next difference is 16. Next difference is 24. You can see the difference is the table of 8. Another way you can get 1 power with 2. What is the value? That is 1. 3 power 2. You will get 9. If you use 5 power 2, it will give you 25. 7 power 2. If you will get 49, the next value is 9 power 2. Means that is 81. Okay. Now you can see the differences 32. Okay, so what will be the program? Here I is 1. First I have to see the difference again. Every 3. So here I have to make a difference. Now I starts with 1 and ending at 20 or 19. Okay, ending at 19 because 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 17 19, that is the 10th term. Okay, and here I use I plus equals 2. Here I equals I plus equals 2. So here I use I into I. So 1 9 25 14 81 121, that is the answer. Okay. So I copy again. Now the next series is 4 16 36 64. So 4 16 36, the difference is 12, the difference is 20, and next the difference is 36 minus 8 28. Okay, now see the difference. 12 plus 8, 20 plus 8. If you can see, think like a different way, that is 2 power 2. 2 power 2, you will get 4. If you think 4 power 2, you will get value. If you think 6 power 2, you will get your value. If you think 8 power 2, you will also get your value. So the next value is 10 power 2. So the 10 power 2 value obviously 100. Okay, so here I starts with all are even values square. Okay, so all even values starting with 2. The 10th even value is 20. I plus equals 2. and the same thing. So the answer is that. Now the next series is 0, 3, 8, 15. Okay, so 0, 3, 8, 15, the difference is 3, the next difference is 5, the next difference is 7. So obviously the next difference is 9, so the value is 24. Next difference is 11, so the value is 35. So you can add last value plus 3 equals 3, last value plus the difference equals new value. So the last value plus the difference equals new value. I already used that in the second program, but here I can use 1 square minus 1, that is 2 square minus 1, that is 3 square minus 1, that is 6 square minus 1. Okay, 6 to 36 minus 1, 35. Okay, so what I have to do, I am counting I equals 1, I less than equals 10, and I plus plus. So the sum equals I into I minus 1. So the output is like that. So now the 2499 to 224399. Okay, so I will give you example, that is 5 means 5 square minus 1, that is 10 square minus 1, that is 15 square minus 1, so that is 20 square minus 1. So the next value is 25 square minus 1. You see the 25 square minus 1 value will be, so here what I do, I equals 5, so the 10th term is 50, I plus equals 5, and the same thing, that will be the answer. Now the last one, 2, 5, 10, 17. That is already done in the first one. So here the difference is 3, next the difference is 5, next the difference is 7. So here is the 1. So I use 1 as initial value and 1 is the difference. Okay, now last value is 2 and the difference is 3 into 5. last value is 5 and the difference is 5 equals 10. Last value is 10 and initial value difference is 7 between 7. So the next difference is 9. So here I can write 17 plus 9. It will be 26. So here I need a part that is starts with 1 ending at 10 and I am using I++. Okay, here I use sum equals 1 and p equals 1. Okay, so first I have to do that is if I write sum plus p, okay, so that means 1 plus 1 2, that is my answer. And after this line, after the printing, I have to increase the value of p by 2. So first see the output. Then see the difference. Next 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37. Why? And now why I write like this? Why I use p++ and all that? So here I use, now check, some initial value is 1 and the value of p is p, that give me 2. Okay, equals 2. Now next value is 2, that is the last value of sum, plus p equals 3, as here I use p plus equals 2 3, that means I will get 5. Okay, now the value of sum is 5 when the I is 3 and the sum value increased by 5 equals 10. So when the value 10 is printed here, the p increases by 2, that will be 7, and the last value printed is 10. Now add with p equals 17. So that is the processing of series. Here you have to print the values. That is the first logic, that is the first type of series we have to understand. Here we have to calculate in a manner, in a series way, and we have to print those values. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.